101 right now, Rio Grande City. After being 100, McAllen's back to 98 now, 92 in Weslaco. Cooler when you get into the eastern part of the valley, and then 88 in Port Isabel at this hour. Edinburg checks in at 96. Dew points, hey, they're pretty comfortable. Upper 50s, mid 50s in Edinburg. Still in the upper 60s close to the coast, but still all these are in the middle range of the muggy meter. And in fact, if you look at those upper valleys, they're down in here. This is the average, but some of the dew points are in the 50s. In the comfortable range. You don't get a lot of days like that in June or July or August, so enjoy this evening. It should be a relatively nice evening, albeit a little bit warmer. These are tomorrow's highs, back for 100 plus from McAllen to westward. Most of the valley in the 90s and right at 90 degrees at the island tomorrow. The average high, the 30-year average for the next few days is 94. We'll be above that, 97, 96, and 95. Records are all up around 100 degrees, so we're going to be above normal, but not up to record highs. The big upper air low, that's what caused the rain here and the storm damage a couple of days ago. That was sitting right around here. It has since moved away, and on the backside, that northerly wind has really dried things out, not only in the upper atmosphere, giving us a clear blue sky, but down here at the ground too. That's what's lowered the humidity just a little bit. That low will continue to push away, leaving us with mainly clear skies tonight into tomorrow. This is satellite radar today. Just patchy stuff. That's about it. Now, Future Track suggests we stay quiet overnight tonight. Skies stay mostly clear. During the daytime tomorrow, just mostly sunny and hot. Again, back over 100 in many places. Tomorrow night into Friday, maybe a few more clouds start to show up. Still should be a mainly dry day. Here's your sea breeze trying to activate and move inland, but doesn't do much. Should be a dry day again, even though Future Track trying to show some moisture. Saturday looks like a dry day as well. You look at the next 3 days, rain chances, we're dry, we're dry, we're dry. You know, I can't say 100% dry, but probably 98%. Could be one isolated shower in one or two locations, but a vast majority of the valley should stay rain-free as we head through the rest of the weekend into the weekend. If you're headed to the coast, get your weekend started really early, right? It's summer vacation, why not? In the morning, about 87 degrees, northeasterly winds early. UV's extreme, rip current risk is moderate. Your surf temperature is at 84 degrees. By afternoon, temperatures stay in the 80s, easterly winds at about 10, and by tomorrow evening, we're still in the 80s at the beach. So count on readings staying between 80 and 90 pretty much all day long. Winds stay out of the east most of the day. That surf temperature, already 84 degrees. A little early for temperatures to be in the mid 80s. Here are your tides. There's a high tide at 5:52, a low tide at 9:09. The sea's running 2 to 3 feet with a light chop. Your bay temperature right now at 88 degrees, getting close to, I guess, what you'd call bath water, and it's only early June. So clear and mild tonight, a low of 70. And then tomorrow we climb right back up to 97 again. So you start the day tomorrow on a relatively mild note. The variable winds not quite back out of the east yet. Once the winds come out of the east and the southeast, then the humidity will start to rise, and you'll start to feel that Friday, Saturday into and through the weekend. Notice how the nighttime lows come up into the mid 70s. That's a sign dew points are coming up, humidity's coming back up. But tomorrow, even though it's a hot afternoon, it's a relatively cool start. Low dew points, a relatively comfortable day. Again, relatively across the valley. Weekend in the 90s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.